Hello, we are going to do a flip cup with some blue tones on purple, and it's going to look fabulous. So let me get my cup. I have coated the canvas in a cool purple. It's a mixture of Ultramarine Blue and quinacridone magenta to get this color, and I'm going to coat it in several other colors. I'm going to start with some white in my cup, titanium white, and then we're going to go with then I'm going to go with the contrasting. I'm going to do the other bit of the same background color, the cool purple. Then I'm going to go with Ultramarine Blue tinted, which is almost like a very pale purple. Then we'll go more on the warm blue side and do, this is my tinted phthalo blue. Yeah, not on my canvas. And then we'll do the straight phthalo blue. Trying to do it down the side, and I ended up dripping it on my canvas. And then we're going to do, this is teal. And this is tinted teal. And because I got space, I'm going to do a little more white. And to fill up that last little bit of space, I'm going to do a little more of the background color, the cool purple. This is going to be a lot of paint. Okay, here we go. It's always so hard to get it over those corners, so instead of losing so much paint, I'm going to actually swipe it over the corner like that, just to get rid of the roundness of that shape. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now I'm going to go that direction to stretch it out. And I am going to let it go off the corner that way, because I'm not really digging some of that stuff. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, now let's go the other way. Oh wow, that looks like the earth, sort of. If I thought it would actually stay still, I might leave it. I can't not leave one corner with some decent negative space, you know? It's tough. I'm going to push it a little. I'm going to come back this way. That's pretty right there. I want more of this and less of that. I really like that there, though. This is just too swirly. I think that's where it dribbled on top of the pour. I need to get better at the actual release of the flip cup. Yeah, just go off. Just dump. We'll come back this way a little bit. Stretch that out. I like it. I'm going to let that sit for a moment and decide whether it needs any more assistance. All right, here's a quick close-up of how it's developed. It looks pretty awesome. I will show another shot of it once it is dry. Woo! You guys, I'm super excited about this one. I love the colors. I love the composition. I really love the negative space and the contrast going on in the side over here. Some really beautiful formations going on over here. Got a nice diagonal going all the way across. That is what I want all the time. I love it, I love it, I love it. I've got it in a float frame. It's going to be going on my website for sale, seaholsterart.com. Check it out, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Thanks.